Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we peel back the layers of corporate filings uncovering the real stories behind the numbers. And today we have a fascinating little announcement from, well, let's just say a bank that is getting ready to go fully public. This filing is a current report, basically a heads up to the public about some pretty big news. And this news is all about a shift in how a company called Seneca Bancorp Incorporated operates. They are transitioning from a mutual holding company to a fully public stock holding company. Think of it like going from a club where members have certain rights to a company whose shares anyone can buy on the stock market. This usually means they are getting ready to raise money and become more accessible to investors. Now, for a company that is about to be publicly traded, you do expect to see some of their stock listed on exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. But in this particular filing, when they list the securities registered under Section 12B of the Act, it simply says none for the title of each class, the trading symbols, and the name of each exchange on which registered. This tells us that as of this filing, they do not have any securities listed on a major stock exchange. This is common for companies in the process of going public, as this listing typically happens as part of the offering itself. The core of this report, filed on the 10th of October 2025, is an announcement about a major organizational change, Seneca Financial Corp., which is the parent company of Seneca Savings Bank, is moving away from its mutual holding company structure. This also involves a stock offering by Seneca Bancorp Incorporated, which is set to become the new public parent company. The big date to mark is the 15th of October 2025, when this conversion and stock offering are expected to be finalized. Essentially, they are going from a setup where ownership is more diffused among account holders to one where ownership is sold in shares. This report points us to a press release from the 10th of October 2025 as the source of this important announcement. While we don't have the full text of that press release here, we know it contains the detailed information about this transition. The fact that they are filing an 8K means this is a significant event that the public needs to be aware of right away. For investors, this could mean a chance to buy into a company that was previously not directly accessible in the stock market. The report is signed by Joseph G. Vitale, the President and Chief Executive Officer of Seneca Bancorp Incorporated. This signature and date confirm that the company management themselves are providing this update. It highlights that a key leader is personally attesting to the accuracy and importance of this information. Joseph Vitale, S signature lends official weight to the announcement of the company. S move to a fully public structure. Now, let's talk about what this really means. Seneca Bancorp is essentially unlocking its doors to public investors. They are moving from a mutual holding company, a structure that often has a more long-term community-focused approach, to a stock holding company. This means they will likely be seeking to raise capital by selling shares to the public. This transition is a big deal for any financial institution. It signals ambition for growth and a desire for a broader capital base. From a Warren Buffett perspective, this move to a public offering is often about accessing capital to fuel expansion or strategic initiatives. It can provide the company with flexibility for acquisitions or investments in new technologies. However, it also brings new pressures. Public companies are subject to constant scrutiny from investors, analysts, and the market performance expectations become higher and more immediate. We need to watch how this stock offering is priced and how the market responds after the 15th of October 2025. The success of this transition will depend on market appetite for Seneca Bancorp S shares and the company S ability to deliver on its growth promises. So to wrap up, Seneca Bancorp Incorporated is making a significant leap from a mutual holding company to a fully public entity. This transition is expected to close on the 15th of October 2025, and it opens up new possibilities for growth and investment. It is a critical moment for the company, and one that investors will be watching closely. What do you think about this move to go fully public? Does it signal a strong future for Seneca Bancorp, or is it a risky maneuver? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and remember to subscribe for more corporate insights. And don't forget to join our Discord community, linked in the description for even more discussions. Thanks for tuning into Corporate Decoder.